If you're experiencing tingling sensations or numbness in your fingers and toes, it could be a sign of nerve damage. But don't worry, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to dive into the best vitamins to help repair and protect your nerves. Let's introduce the stars of the show, B vitamins. These essential nutrients play a critical role in maintaining a healthy nervous system. Now, let's break down the top 3 B vitamins that are game changers for nerve repair and health. First up, vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. Think of this as your nerve repair superhero. Vitamin B1 helps reduce pain and inflammation, giving your overworked nerves a chance to recover. This vitamin also supports energy production in your cells, which is vital for overall nerve function. For example, someone dealing with diabetic neuropathy often finds relief by incorporating more thiamine into their diet or taking a supplement. Foods rich in B1 include whole grains, sunflower seeds, and even black beans. If you're not a fan of these, no worries. There are plenty of thiamine supplements available on the market. Next, we have vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is like the bodyguard for your nerves. It helps maintain the protective sheath, called the myelin coating, that surrounds and insulates your nerve endings. Without this protective layer, your nerves are more susceptible to damage. Imagine a phone charger with a frayed cord. The electricity doesn't flow as well, and it might even short circuit. That's what happens when your nerves lack enough B6. Foods high in B6 include bananas, chickpeas, salmon, and poultry. However, it's essential to stay within the recommended dose. Too much B6 can actually cause nerve issues. Stick to a balanced diet or consult your doctor if you're considering a supplement. And finally, we have vitamin B12, an absolute must for nerve health. Vitamin B12 is the cornerstone of proper neurological function. A deficiency in this vitamin can lead to neuropathy or even permanent nerve damage if left unchecked. This is especially common in vegetarians or those with absorption issues, such as individuals with certain stomach or intestinal conditions. Foods high in B12 include seafood like clams and salmon, dairy products, eggs, and fortified plant-based milk for those on vegan diets. If you're low in B12, your doctor might recommend injections or high-dose supplements to restore your levels quickly. Let me give you a practical example. If you're feeling tingling or weakness in your hands, this could be a sign of B12 deficiency. Catching and addressing this early by increasing B12 intake can prevent further complications. And here are some extra tips for healthy nerves. Stay hydrated. Water helps your body transport these vitamins more efficiently. Avoid excessive alcohol, as it depletes B vitamins in the body. Engage in regular physical activity to improve nerve function and blood flow. Remember, a little effort now can make a big difference in the long run. Check the link in the description for more details, and your nerves will thank you. Stay healthy, take care of yourself, and we'll see you in the next video.